all, let me say that I already did this before, but then the media guy made me do it again. So come for him. Come for him. If if you go through our social media content and you've seen my content before, come for him. Hi everyone. Hi. My name is Opeyemi and I'm the social media manager. Should I tell you my surname? Because I don't want my village people to find me here. Do you want to know my surname? I do good. What do I do at Zacrac, or what do I do generally? Okay, I'm a core member, like I already said. Well, you guys don't know that, but I'm a copper in Akwa Ibom. Scrap that, I didn't mention the states. But yeah, I'm a copper, I'm a content creator, social media manager at Zacrac. What else do I do? I read, I have fun. I do me. You should do you too. My name is Opeyemi, like I said. I'm a girl, if it's not obvious already. What else? To be honest, I feel like, what else do you have to know? I'm a very organized person. I mentioned this in the last video. I'm smart. Yes, I am very smart, as people say. Yes, that's all. You get to know more about me along the line. My fun thing to do is maybe not fun to a lot of people, but it's fun to me, and that's all that matters, okay? But yeah, I like to read for fun a lot. So yeah, that's my fun thing too. One thing I like to watch YouTube videos. I like to watch vlogs actually. I like to watch vlogs a lot. I like to watch vlogs, that's it. Experience at Zacrac has been amazing. Okay, to be very honest, it's been good, it's been great. You know, I've had to learn so much. I feel like when I started, I didn't even know a lot about data analysis, data analytics, data science. But now I know a lot. Like, I can give a 10-minute presentation. Okay, no, 20-minute presentation. Please don't ask me to do that. But I can give a 20-minute presentation about, what data analysis and analytics, science, data engineering and all that. I can give a presentation about it. So that's helped me a lot to learn and also realign my purpose. Yes, and it's been great. I just enjoy how, it allows you to be creative and I get to explore my mind here. It's been amazing. It's also had its not so good sides. Like Mr. Olawale texting you at 2 a.m. to say that I need us to get to 1 million followers now. What can we do? Write an idea. I need us to get verified now. And I'm just like, hey, oh God. But yeah, it's been overall it's been fun, if I'm being honest with myself. And yeah, it's been fun. It's been good. Challenging, good, great, amazing. I'm a copper, like I said, core member, not copper, core member, thank you. But yeah, I feel like I still have time to explore, but content management, because I just love the idea of exploring your creativity. I feel like this sounds cliche, but just thinking of an idea. Most times when I see an idea on social media, I'm like, okay, this could have been done this way. I mean, if you pay me, I would, get it sorted for you. And I also had to work. My friends think I'm very witty. I don't think a lot of people will see that part, but yeah, so I feel like I'm content. Do you get? As I am like this, I'm content. But yeah, I just enjoy, thinking of ideas and bringing them together and, get people to engage with it, get people to get a reaction from people, laugh, smile, anger, whatever reaction. But yeah, I enjoy that. I'm just creating something, to be honest. I really enjoy content creating. So because I work remotely, I don't get to interact with a lot of staff at Zacrac. But if I have to choose my favorite, it used to be Tope till he offended me. So right now, I don't think it's Tope, but maybe it's a little bit Tope. But yeah, I think I enjoy working with our team lead, Tosin. I miss her actually. Tosin, if you're watching this, every time I think of sending you a message, but then I've just been busy, sorry. But yeah, it's Tope or Tosin. But yeah, I used to enjoy working with Tope till he offended me. So yeah, he's not my friend anymore. So I'll just go for Tosin, who is the second, person. The favorite part of my work is, what's the favorite part? I feel like there are a lot of favorite parts, but I would say, just seeing people's reaction to my content. So there was one time, I said Toko was my former friend. This is not the reason why we are not friends anymore. He offended me. But then there was a picture of him. He sat down and he was like this. I don't know what was going through his mind. Like, I'm sure he was sad on that day because there were 2 pictures from that particular day and he was looking sad in the 2 pictures. Maybe he was frustrated, I don't know. And do you know what I did? I used that picture as a content. Someone now posted it, I think Dele, sorry, I don't know, I've not seen him yet. But yeah, he now posted this and then he was like, oh, what's this? You're going to, I don't even know, I can't remember what he said. But yeah, just getting reactions like that and, getting people to engage, honestly. So please guys, engage. So I'll be happy because when you don't engage, I'm sad and I've been sad for a long time now. So please engage. Okay, yeah. I feel like at the end of the day, I have to write like an analytics report on, what happened, what the increase, the reduction, the engagement, and like I said just now, like people don't engage. So every time I'm calculating everything, I'm just like 2 comments. Okay, that's a lie. We've never had 2 comments, but that's so hard for me because it's heartbreaking, and definitely just getting it together because it's nice that I get to write analytics reports and I'm just like, oh, this is not content, but yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do. Am I an introvert or an extrovert? I believe I know that I'm an ambivert. I'm neither an introvert nor an extrovert. Why? In case you don't know what ambivert is, let me explain to you. You are not hot, you are not cold. You are warm, in between. That's what I am. Even though the media guy, Boye, is attacking me and saying that there's nothing like ambivert. It's when you're an extrovert that you try to. You guys, don't mind him. I'm an ambivert. I'm an introvert. Extrovert.